Welcome to the Business Buyer Diaries. My name is Nathan Platter. I'm a full-time employee, and I bought a business. I did everything right, from finding the deal, handling all the due diligence on 63 opportunities, and ultimately bought a profitable gym. And boy was I in for a big surprise as a new owner. I chronicled everything in real time, including the biggest wins to the stressful nights at 2 a.m. I'm sharing my journey without sugarcoating anything, so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Here's today's episode.
Keep my mind off it one way or the other. That's really the best to do right now. So here we go. We're rocking and rolling. And now we just wait for someone to pick up the package for the portfolio. I need to get a better term. Package sounds so like Secret Service, CIA. Now we just wait. Someone's going to pick up the stack of papers, and then they're going to review it. So we now have to wait and they either accept it or deny it. And so if they deny it, we might get feedback. We might not. Either way, it should be a pretty good approval likelihood, and then we'll go from there. I'll keep doing updates because I like doing other posts to updates, even though there's nothing to report. But here there may be plans with stuff too. Here we go. Let's keep on rolling.
This has been another episode of the Business Buyer Diaries. Subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. I hope you're realizing that business ownership is no cakewalk. Check the podcast notes for a link to the DIY due diligence program, the complete list of show sponsors, and for media inquiries. Music written and composed by Wes Schrock. I'm your host, Nathan Platter. Join me again on the next one.